So, hi everyone, I'm Angel John Terek, and today I'll be presenting my Android application, a Google Maps integration app that displays the user's current location using GPS. This app uses Google Maps API to show a live interactive map, and it can access the device's current coordinates, the latitude and longitude, using the Fuse Location Provider client. So let's start with the layout file activity main XML. Here I use a fragment container view to display the Google Map full screen. So this one. On the sunod niya is there's a text view that shows the current coordinates. So, kani sila. Then, the and a button labeled by my location that when tapped updates the user's current position on the map. So this one button. In my main activity Java file, I implemented on the onMapReady interface to initialize the map when it's ready. Inside the onCreate method, I link my views, the text view, button, and map fragment using their IDs. So, dara akong onMapReady. So, sud niya naa ang mga ilahang koan. Can sila. Then I set up a button click listener that calls get current location. So this wherever the users wants to update their position. The app checks for location permissions using the activity compat that requests permissions if the permission is granted. It enables my location feature in the map and automatically gets the device's last known location using the Fuse Location Provider client. This approach is efficient because it combines data from GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile networks for better accuracy. Once the app retrieves the current location, it creates a latitude-longitude object to store latitude and longitude. Then it places a marker on the map labeled, "You are here," so wait. And the camera smoothly zooms into the location. The coordinates are also displayed in the text view above the map. So before the user's location is found, the map automatically shows katong gihatag, then the katong na Manila as the default location. The app also enables zoom controls and gesture navigation for a better user experience. So this project, kani nga project nakahelp nako og unsaon pag-integrate og Google Maps gamit ang runtime permissions and the user location services in Android. So after that, ansara nato ang kadtong questions nga gipang gihatag ni ma'am. So first is, what is the difference between the access find location and access course location? Access finds locations, naghatag siya og kanang accurate nga GPS based sa location nga gikuan. Then the access course location only gives an approximate location gamit ang Wi-Fi, internet, mobile networks. Then second question is, why do we need to request permissions at a runtime? We request permissions at runtime to protect the user's privacy. Android requires apps to ask permission directly from the user before accessing sensitive data like mga location. Then the third question is, what is Fuse Location Provider Client and why we use it? The Fuse Location Provider Client is a Google service that combines GPS, Wi-Fi, and cell tower data to get the most accurate location efficiently. It's more reliable and saves battery life. Fourth question, why do you add a marker on Google Maps? We add a marker by creating the lat-lang object and using this code. Katong na mmap.add marker, then the U marker options, then ang positions niya, location, then ang title is you are here. So, kini, this shows a pin on the map where the user's locations is kung asa. So, kani. Then the fifth question is, what is the lat-lang and what does it represent? Lat-lang is simply a latitude and longitude pair that represents a specific point or location on the Earth's map. Then the sixth question is, how do you move the camera to a specific location? So, by using the kadtong code nga mmap move camera. Nato siya ani. This one, move camera. So that let us focus the map view on the user's current position. So the seventh question is, what happens if location permission is denied? So if mo denied ang kuan, the app cannot access or shows the user's location, and features like my location or automatic map updates won't work. So the last question is, how do you enable zoom controls on the map? So using the code, this code, to manually zoom in and zoom out the map. That would be all, and thank you for watching.